Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you already know by the title, I'm going to be doing a huge closet clean out, which I've been meaning to do all last year and I didn't do. I'm going to go through all my clothes and accessories, but I'm going to start off with clothes first because that is what is bothering me. I just want to get rid of stuff so I have more space. I also never use my wardrobe because I just never open it up. That means I never wear the clothes inside. So I'm going to try and move the clothes outside on my racks into my wardrobe. But yeah, that is the plan for today. I'm just going to be following a simple system, just popping them into 3 piles, yes, no, and maybe, asking myself whether I have worn the piece of clothing in the past year. If I haven't, I need to just get rid of it. 2, if it fits me or not. 3, do I see myself wearing it this year or in the next few months? And 4, is it my style, or is it the style that I am wanting to achieve? Okay, so this is my wardrobe right now. This has basically just become a storage. I have my patterns here from my fashion design course, and I just have a bunch of random stuff up here that I also could be using for clothing space. The system that I've created in here is very inefficient. It's very inefficient. I don't know, just everything in here is wrong, so hopefully when I empty it I can fix and create a bit of a system. I'm gonna start off with this side. I'm pretty sure I've had this for 8 years and I just don't wear it anymore. It's still a cute dress. It's from Unif. These things I'm probably gonna sell on Depop.
Hey, yo, Todd. I can't help myself when you're not around. You're all that I think of.
Hey guys, just as I'm cleaning, I wanted to take a quick moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. So for those of you who don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who wants to invest in self-growth and self-care. There are topics on graphic design, art, productivity, marketing, and so much more that would be great for freelancers or entrepreneurs looking to learn new skills. Recently, I've been feeling quite unmotivated and uninspired with my life, so I took a class called Designing the Life You Want by Michelle B to rebuild goals and create a sense of direction. I did an activity called the anti-vision activity, which is writing out the version of your life that you don't want to bring to life. It was actually quite helpful to regain some motivation and energy to make small changes, because obviously I don't want to end up living my anti-vision. One of my anti-visions was, in 5 years time, I spend most of my weeks cleaning after myself because I'm disorganized. And this was something that really motivated me to start decluttering my environment so that I could actually maintain a tidy room. If you guys are also interested in taking this class or exploring new creative skills, the first 1,000 people to use the link on my description box or my code Hannah will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So make sure to check that below, and now back to the video. Okay, I'm moving on to my rack because I have emptied my closet now. I almost feel like I'm gonna have no clothes by the end of this.
I always say keep a good thing going, a good thing's going right. Sing, don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon. Yeah, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon. Yeah, yeah. Sinking in your skin, got me falling in. Do you feel it? 'Cause I feel it, yeah. Swimming in your ocean.
So this is the current progress. This is all my yes clothes, but I feel like when I pop them back, I'm gonna do like one more filter, whether I think I want it or not. This is my maybe pile. It's just clothes that, you know, when you just wear things because it's your only option. Yeah, I feel like that's my maybe pile. And then this is an absolute no, stuff that I'm sick of. Now I have to go through the clothes that are under my bed.
Yeah, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon. Yeah. Hey, love on the bad boy, careful what you wish for. Walking out the door, baby, kiss me till the lips sore. I'm not
not sure who I miss more. Miss Goody two shoes or Miss. One make love, one's a grape. We always break up just to make up. One don't get high, she just break up. I dream they both mine, but then I wake up. Hey.
Moving on to hats. A lot of these on the top are new, and obviously I want to keep them, so I'm just gonna pop them here. They're hats like this. They're super funky, you know, but I don't think I'll ever wear this again. A lot of these have sentimental value. They're kind of like souvenirs, you know, like I bought this in Korea when I went to Korea. Maybe I'll put in the maybe. I also had the biggest fluffy hat phase. Like, yeah, and I never wear any of these because I feel like my head is gonna melt off when I wear this here. I don't know, like, will I wear it? Will I wear this? I think she's gonna have to go. I'm gonna keep these two because I feel like I will still get wear out of this in the winter. So there we go. Oh my gosh, I totally didn't realize I had a beret, but I have a beret and I never wear it. I'll just put it in maybe. All right, the hats are done.
Lately I've been tired, I ain't want your conversation. Lazy kinda burnout, need to fuel up at the station. Yeah, how you gon' pay for food? How you gon' pass the class? If this is all that you do, boy, you just sitting on your. I ain't afraid, this is my fate. If no one will stay.
Okay, so I think I've pretty much moved all my yeses back into my closet and trying to find a system to work with for now because I just don't want to buy anything yet until I have an idea of how I want to use the space. But I think this will do for now because there's still room here. I got the boxes from my storage there to put my hoodies and crew necks and then my pants there. I removed my shoe boxes and I've popped them under my bed. But yeah, I still have more to sort and pop back. This is the state of my room right now. It's actually stressing me out. My rack broke this morning. Like, it just decided to fall over, and that was the rack that was holding my grad collection. So that's just going to be on the floor for a couple days until I figure out what I'm going to do with this section. So I'm going to try get this maybe pile done in 1 hour so that I can just come back and sort through the nose.
I like to start, man. I've been done with my guac stack. Yeah, I stole money hoe. I just need time. Add it up like on a night. I can't live inside like this forever. Yeah, if you wanna share a slice, have another on my love. If you're anxious, I can get you some lavender. Yeah, lavender. Yeah, lavender. Yeah, I like lavish things. Yeah, we a lavish team.
So a lot of the things that I am tossing up between keeping and selling or saying no to are jackets. So I'll just like pop a few on. This is the first one that I'm unsure about. I thrifted this jacket. Actually, I think it's kind of cute. I feel like I should sell it. I just don't think, I don't know. This, I kind of don't know why I still have and why I ever bought it in the first place, because I think this is what was like trending. Oh my gosh, I look like a rich Korean grandma. Yeah, no. I'm gonna sell this one. I feel like I'm a chessboard, so I'm probably gonna just sell this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna pass out from trying all of those jackets. I have decided the rest of the clothes that are out here, they are no's, so I am done. Hello. So this is supposed to be a continuation of my closet clean out video, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been 3 weeks since I filmed the other portion, like the first part of the video. Life just got so busy, so I'm gonna be doing the rest of that today. I just have to organize the things I'm gonna sell and the things I'm gonna donate, and then I just have to post everything on Depop. This is where we left off. These are all the clothes that I've, like all my outerwear that I've hung up that I want to sell. And then In my wardrobe, this is just the stuff I need to finish organizing, like these two, and then I should be done. The rest of my closet is okay. Like, I just want to figure out this situation as well, because the plan is to get rid of this. Like, the reason why it had to be this way is because the other way, like horizontally, it sits over the edge. So I need to find a new storage unit to sit under here for all my pants and stuff. Since I don't really know exactly what I want to donate at the moment, I'm just going to take pictures of stuff I want to sell, and then I feel like as I'm going through that, I can figure out what I want to donate. I've decided that I really just need to choose what I'm going to donate first. You know what, I'm going to time myself because there's no way I don't want to take too much time on this. I'm just going to decide what is not sellable on Depop, and then I'm going to chuck it in a bag and get that out of my room because we need to make decisions. I need to make decisions. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay guys, I think I am done now. I think I've kind of chose clothes that would sell better on Depop, and then the rest I just want to get rid of it because I can't be bothered to list them. Maybe I should show you guys a couple of things. I remember making this, I think this was in like first year of fashion. I upcycled this flannel. It wasn't really well finished, so I don't want to sell it to anyone. And then there was this one, which I think it's still on my Instagram. So go follow my Instagram if you're not already. You can also see how much my style has changed, I guess. I'm done. Still got 3 minutes to spare. So I'm just gonna move on now and take pictures of everything that I need to sell. I'm gonna be using my UV size tripod. I actually bought this ages ago to take photos for Instagram because, you know, your friends aren't always available, and I never used it, but it's gonna come into use today. So I am going to end the video here because I don't really have much left to do. I'll probably make a separate video organizing my closet or in my vlogs or something. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe so you can see. I am going to be doing my whole room again eventually. If you guys like more fashion content, make sure you give me a like and leave a comment below what you want to see in the future. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Lately I've been tired, I ain't want your conversation. Lazy kinda burnout, need to fuel up at the station. Yeah, I gon' pay for food.